Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add custom live wallpaper in Galaxy A05 device. By the way guys, we have default wallpaper also in our Samsung Galaxy A05 device. But if we are talking about custom live wallpaper, so we can use third-party application for this. So first of all, just go to Play Store and here search for live wallpaper. So on the very top, we have application live wallpaper Magic Fluid. Just install this application. Okay, after installing, just open the application and then set it. Click next. So by the way, this is an ad and this application contains some ads. Okay, now skip the ad. And this is how the interface of the application look like. So just select any wallpaper and now select the wallpaper which you want to set. I am selecting this one. Okay, all you guys have to do, just watch the ad so that the wallpaper will be free. Okay, now skip the ad. As you see, this is now processing. So this is how it look like. Now click to set wallpaper. Go to set wallpaper again, click to home screen if you want to set it for a home screen. We can also customize it by using this icon. We can set constant speed so that the wallpaper will be continuously in action. Okay, now click apply. And that's it. So the wallpaper will be added to our screen now. So as you see how it is look like. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.